Hi, I'm Casey, product specialist at Earthway, and today we're going to unbox the Polartec 90365. This is the 65-pound broadcast spreader for rock salt and ice melt, the high output. Let's go ahead and unbox it, see what we have in the box. So we've got the handle assembly here. We'll open that up here in a second. We've got the overall spreader assembly here. Perfect, look at that. All one piece. That's nice. We've got our tires, the hardware pack, another tire, and we've got some instructions. Nice. All right, so we've got these caps here. The bearing's got a little loose, no big deal. That'll just walk right in there. Yep, piece of cake. Okay. So hardware pack here, we've got the, I'll open this up. So that's all that there is. This is the upper handle. So you can do the tires here last if we want. We've got the bolts for the handle. So that will insert in there and then you'll fit that in there. The linkage. And you've got your tire hardware and outer bearings here. So fit there, and we got our two tires. So when you get your box, you'll have both the tires, your tire hardware. No other hardware because it's already on the unit. You'll have your handle assembly. So you got two bolts and two pins, and you're in business. This is the 90365 from Earthway. Visit us at earthway.com for additional content and videos and other products. Thanks so much.